Apple is for apple, red and sweet. The B is for ball, bounce it high. Cat is for cat, soft and cute. D is for dog, wagging its tail. Elephant is for elephant, big and strong. The fish is for fish, swimming fast. G is for goat, eating grass. H is for house, where we stay. Ice cream, I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. The jelly, J is for jelly, liye. Kite, K is for kite, flying high. The lion, L is for lion, roaring loud. The monkey, M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, a bird's home. Orange, O is for orange, juicy and round. Parrot, P is for parrot, talking bright. The queen, Q is for queen, wearing a crown. The rabbit, R is for rabbit, hopping fast. The sun, S is for sun, shining bright. Tiger, T is for tiger, soaring wild. Umbrella is for umbrella, for rainy days. Violin is for violin, playing sweet music. Watermelon, red and juicy. Xylophone, X for xylophone, playing a tune. The yacht is for yacht, sailing away. Zebra is for zebra, with black and white stripes.
Please subscribe.
बुलबुल का बच्चा खाता था खिचड़ी, पीता था पानी, गाता था गाना। बुलबुल के बच्चे को आई सिखाई, उड़ने की उसने ठानी सफाई। बुलबुल के बच्चा खाता था खिचड़ी, पीता था पानी, गाता था गाना। देखा जो उसने ऊपर समा, नीला नीला था सारा जहां। पर अपने उसने फैलाए फोन, उड़ने लगा वो, हंसने लगा वो। चिड़िया ने देखा, बुलबुल ने देखा, सबने ये नजारा प्यारा सा देखा।
Like, share, subscribe.